Hey, check out this plaque. The Shining, based on the Stephen King novel of the same name, used aerial shots of the Timberline as part of its opening scene. That's pretty cool. We just traveled up a volcano 6,000 feet above sea level on the 40th anniversary of one of my favorite movies. Jack Nicholson, Shelley Duvall, Danny Lloyd. It all started right here with the famous intro helicopter shot from Stanley Kubrick's 1980 movie, The Shining. Even though they only used the exteriors for this movie, I've heard the craftsmanship on the inside of this ski lodge is really something to see. Let's go check it out. On the inside, it's called the Timberline Lodge, but on the outside, it's called the Overlook Hotel. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, they have a gift shop.
Do they? Careful, stay away from Route 237. The Timberline was designed by architect Gilbert Stanley Underwood. The 4-story ski lodge built from boulders and heavy timber from the Mount Hood area. Construction began in 1936 during the Great Depression, and it was dedicated by President Franklin Roosevelt on September 28, 1937.
We got started making the furniture, and I had a man there by the name of Keith.
Now there are 3 American hotels that make up the inspiration for The Shining. Hotel number 1 is the Stanley Hotel in Colorado, where back in 1973, Stephen King and his wife stayed in room 217. That night, King had very vivid dreams of his son being chased down the corridors of the hotel. And when he woke up, he had the entire outline of The Shining already in his head. Hotel number 2, the Timberline Lodge where we're at now, was used for the exterior inspiration. The third location that inspired The Shining was the Iwani Hotel in Yosemite Park. It was the interior inspiration of the Overlook Hotel in the movie. The grand entrance and elevators are almost identical, as you can see here. Oh, look at these doors. They actually built a life-size replica facade of the hotel over in England when they shot the movie. So the only time they actually used the Timberline was in the very opening helicopter shot. Check out this 6-sided stone chimney. There's 3 fireplace openings on the ground floor and 3 on the first floor. I can't say enough about all the skill and unique styles that went into this place. From the hand-woven upholstery, the mosaic glass, the wrought iron doors. If you're ever in this area, I highly suggest you stop up here, not only for the exterior history of The Shining, but the interior and its history is really a sight to see too. Look at this view of Mount Hood. The tallest mountain in Oregon. I think they said it's 12,000 feet, and we're at 6,000. It's still an active volcano, but I think we're safe for now. The last major eruption was back in the 1860s. Alright, this was such a cool place to do our 2020 Halloween vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.